commemorative CD that we released with a group from Japan called Kellen. They play Hawaiian music in Osaka, Japan. And we released a CD last year with them that was full of Hawaiian compositions. Some for this island, some for other islands, and some for Japan. This is a song that takes us to Kaimuki, where I grew up, and it takes us to the hiking trail above my parents' house, and it's a hiking trail called Lanipō. If you've ever been on the Lanipō trail, it's hard. It's hard, and I'm not in the best of shape anymore, but it is a trail that I enjoy taking. So one day I went with our beautiful Puni's husband, Kepa. We went hiking on this hiking trail, and the sights that we saw, I decided to commemorate in song. And
did you guys make it to the top?
We didn't make it to the top that day, because I'm not in the best of shape once again.
This is the secret to the song, though.
The secret to the song.
You said that you made it to the nu'u, right?
So here's the secret to the song. The secret to the song, it talks about, in the chorus, it talks about we're climbing and climbing this mountain. E kua hiwi ka ua, yeah? And aike kua mauna, and then until we get to the summit, but we never really got to the summit. That's the secret.
It's all figurative, huh?
It's a figurative thing, and so that we decided that the summit is wherever we got, because we did good by going as far as we got. So that's
amazing. It's amazing.
Set a goal for yourself and go as far as you can to accomplish that goal.
Your mom just told you to try, yeah?
My mom told me to try my best. To try my best. Yeah. The song called ʻAia I Lanipō. The beautiful Puni Badis, a song for Kaimuki called ʻAia I Lanipō.
Song with a message, just do your best, try for your best, yeah? One day you guys gonna reach the top though. The real top.
Back when I was skinnier, I did, you know. Yeah, I did.
Tell people you wrote the song from that time then.
Maybe I have to change my spiel about the song now.